Welcome guys, so today I'm with Vivo wireless Sport Lite earbuds and I'm going to show you how we can turn them on or turn them off. So as you can see currently our earbuds are detected by our iPhone, so it means that they are turned off, turn it on. So to turn them off you have to click and hold this multifunction button. Let's make it right now. Click, hold and wait until this indicator turns red, and that's how you can turn them off. To turn them on, you have to click and hold this multifunction button until this indicator switch to the green, and then you can release. As you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.